to get that movement, I would now request to set our time machine into the past, 15 years ago, and then see how things were at that time. So that was the magical moment when an institution has begun. And today we are here with our family, with our extended family, with our friends. So this is a very informal gathering. This is a gathering to celebrate. So I welcome all of you. My name is Vasudev Verma, Dean of Research at IIIT Hyderabad. I'm here first to introduce all the people who are going to be speaking here first. Of course, all of us will sometimes it is very hard to resist a temptation to talk about our journey along with the Institute's journey. So that will happen. So first, let me introduce the people who are here. These are the set of people who have made it possible. These are the set of people who actually thought about this idea of creating a new institution that never existed in an Indian environment. These are the people who dreamt big. Okay? We are very happy, we are very glad to have all these people again regathering them. It's a reunion of all the brains that actually created a game-changing institution. Right? Today we have Mr. R. Chandrasekhar, one of the finest bureaucrats perhaps Indian administration has seen. He is the ex-telecom secretary and is going to be leading NASSCOM in a few weeks. So Mr. Chandrasekhar is here. And Ajay Sahni. I mean, IIIT was always, like in the initial years, the entire growth, every step that we have actually built is with his help. So the first special officer of IIIT Hyderabad, Ajay Sahni. And also a person here who was one of the signatories of the very first MOU that created IIIT Hyderabad. The investor, the evangelist, and a creator of institutions from the very long time. So Srini Raju. And of course, we also have our governing council members, Dr. Uday Desai, Director of IIT Hyderabad. We have Sri BVR Mohan Reddy, the pioneers of Indian IT industry, also the member of our IIIT Hyderabad Foundation Governing Council, and of course many people who have played a very important role from the very beginning in creating this institution. I cannot really list all of them here, but all of us are here in a mood to celebrate. Okay? And this program is going to be very informal, as I said. It is like starting from our director P.J. Narayanan and our chairman Professor Raj Reddy. We'll have all the people who are here to kind of speak a few words and then expressing their journey or expressing their association with this institution. We also have our alumni, part of the very first batch, and then the people who are just now completing their program here, and the staff members who actually put in all those long hours, sweat, and in creating this institution. So some of the 5 members who've been from the beginning associated with IIIT, they're all here. Maybe I should acknowledge them first. So Mr. S.L.N. Shastri Garu and Mr. K.S.N. Garu. K.S.N. is here. And Prabhakar Sharma, librarian. And Mr. Ramana Garu is also here. And Finance Shastri Garu. Okay, you're right. So all of them are here. So these are people who were associated with the institute from the beginning. And of course, we can never forget 2 people. Professor Cowell's first class began on this day. So that's the reason we are celebrating today. And so, of course, Professor Govindraj Lu and Professor Govindraj Lu. So forgive me if I kind of miss, because it's such a, like the association, the people have made this institution. So it is very easy to miss certain names. Ms. Sandhya is also here, who was part of Motorola School then, who made this possible. I mean, one of the first industry to sign up with the IIIT Hyderabad. Okay, Professor Raj Reddy is here. So I'll actually now request Professor P.J. Narayanan to start the proceedings.